Welcome to my channel. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 2 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி செகண்ட் லெசன் முகல் எம்பையர். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். அதில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 5 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? The correct answer is Babur. Second one, in which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? Correct answer is option C, Haldi Ghati. Third one, whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? The correct answer is option B, Humayun. Fourth one, who introduced Mansabdari system? Option B is the correct answer. Option B, Akbar. Next one, who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Raja Tondarmal. Option C is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. In filling the blanks, they have totally 5 questions. Dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap? Chetak. Dash was a hall of Fatehpur Sikri where scholars of all religions met for a discourse. Ibat Khana, the Sufi saint who received Akbar utmost respect, was Salim Sisti. Fourth one, during the region of Dash, the Japti system was extended to the Deccan provinces. Shahjahan. Dash were tax-free lands given to scholars and religious institutions. Shirhal. Next one, match the following. They will give the totally 5 questions. First one, Babur. The correct answer is Chandri. Durgavati, Central Provinces. Rani Chanda Bibi, Ahmednagar. Din Ilai, Akbar. Raja Mansingh, Jaipur. That match the following. I will give the answers in the below of the match the following. Next one, true or false. First one, Babur inherited Farghana, the small kingdom in Central Asia. 2. Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1565. False. Aurangzeb married the girl of notable Rajput family. False. Jahangir ordered execution of Sikh leader Guru Arjan of helping his son Khushru. True. During Aurangzeb region, architecture received much patronage. False. Next one, consider the following statement and take the appropriate answer. The statement and reasons are given. You will select the correct answer. First one, Assassin. The British established their first factory at Surat. Reason, Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. The correct option is A, or is the reason is the correct explanation of A. Next one, Assassin. Aurangzeb's intolerance towards other religions made him unpopular among people. Reason, Aurangzeb reimposed the jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. The option A is the correct answer, or is the correct explanation of A. Find out the correct statements. They are giving the fourth statement. Which statements are correct? The option B is the correct answer. Second, third, and fourth statement are correct statement. The first one is the wrong statement. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அரேஞ்ச் த பேட்டில்ஸ் இன் chronological ஆர்டர். அதாவது நமக்கு இயர் வைஸாக எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. த கரெக்ட் ஆர்டர் இஸ் பேட்டில் ஆஃப் ஹன்வா 1527, பேட்டில் ஆஃப் சந்தரி 1528, பேட்டில் ஆஃப் சௌசா 1539, பேட்டில் ஆஃப் கனூஜ் 1540. திஸ் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் chronological order of battles. Next one, arrange the following administrative divisions in descending order. The correct answer order is correct descending order is Shubhas, Sharkas, Paragons. This order is the correct descending order of administrative division. Next one, match the father and the son. Father and sons கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை கரெக்டாக நம்ம மேட்ச் பண்ணணும். அக்பர், ஜஹாங்கீர், தௌலத் கான் லோடி, தில்வர் கான், ஹசன் சுரி, ஷெர்ஷா, பாபர், ஹுமாயூன், உதய் சிங், ராணா பிரதாப். This is the correct match. Therefore, match the answer. Next one, answer the following. Totally you have 3 questions. First question, write the circumstance that lead to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur did not have any ambition beyond Punjab till 1524. Then the greater opportunity came knocking. Dilwar Khan, who was Daulat Khan Lodi's son, Alam Khan was the uncle of Sultan of Delhi, arrived in Kabul to seek Babur's help in removing Ibrahim Lodi from power. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the famous Battle of Panipat in 1526. Write a note on Mansabdari system. Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. According to this system, the noble civil and military officers were combined to form one single service. Everyone in the service was given the Mansab, meaning the position or rank. The Mansabdar has a holder of such a rank. Mansabdar rank was dependent on Jat and Sawar. Mention the Humayun recaptured the Delhi throne in 1555. Sher defeated Humayun at Chausa and again at Kanauj. Humayun defeated and overthrown had to flee to Iran with the help of the Persian ruler Sher Tamash of the Safavid dynasty. Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1555. Next one, answer the following in detail. Totally you have 2 questions. Describe the land revenue administration of Mughals. Land revenue administration was stoned during the reign of Akbar. Raja Todarmal, revenue minister of Akbar, adopted and refined the system introduced by Sher Shah. According to Jat system, after a survey, lands were classified according to the nature and fertility of the soil. The share of the state was fixed at one-third of average produced for 10 years. It were bestowed upon the military or civil official now named Jagirdar. Every Mansabdar was a Jagirdar. If he not paid in cash, Jagirdar collect the revenue through his own officials. Those appointed to collect the revenue from the landholders were called Jamindars. Jamindars collected taxes and maintained law and order with the help of Mughal officials and soldiers. The local chieftains and little kings were also called as Jamindars. Estimate Akbar as a patron of learning. Akbar was a great patron of learning. His personal library had more than 4,000 manuscripts. He patronized scholars of all beliefs and all shades of opinions. He extended his benevolence of authors such as Abul Fazl and Abdur Rahim Khan, Aikonan, the great storyteller Birbal, competent official like Raja Todarmal, Raja Bhavan Das and Raja Man Singh. The great composer and musician Tansen and artist Dashwant attended Akbar's court as well. உங்களுக்கு இந்த லெசனில் இருக்க மேப் முகல் எம்பையர் அண்டர் அக்பர் பிளேஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன பிளேசஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு அந்த மேப்பில் இருக்குது. இது உங்களுக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம் டைமில் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.